I myself, Mr. Arultwar Informatiko, and I am ready to teach you lesson number 1. Lesson name is 3 questions. And what is the story? Beyond this lesson, a certain king once thought that if anybody knows more about 3 things, he would never be defeated and he always would be successful. What were 3 things according to him? The first thing was that what is the right time to begin something? And second was that which people should be listened to. And the last question was that what is the most important thing for him to do? And he thought that if he commanded with these questions and find out the real answer of these questions, he would also be a great king and nobody would defeat him. So he sent his messengers all over his kingdom and announced that if anybody would give the right answer of his questions, he would be awarded with a big prize. So many people came to the court and gave their answers by differently. But their answers were so different that the king would not allow any prize to them. Then after he thought that he should consult a holy people, a holy man, to know the secret answer of these questions. Before it, so many wise people advised the king by different way. Some advised him that he should make a council and took advice by the councillor. On the other hand, some people advised the king that it is necessary to king where the councillor, others said the priest. Others advised was not only councillor will decide the right answer, but the king should consult with a holy people or a priest also. And at last, the king decided to go to the hermit nearby his kingdom, who lived in the dense forest. And one day, secretly, the king wore a simple cloth. Though he went some way by his horse, but got right and took the horse to his minister, and secretly he went to the hermit. When he reached there, the hermit was digging by the spade to plant some saplings. The king went near him and requested him that he had come to know the secret answer of his questions, but the hermit did not speak a word. He went on working, and at last the king took his spade and began to dig himself and told him, kindly answer my question. Even the hermit did not speak a word. Then after, at last, the king took the spade and prayed the hermit, I have not come to see you, but I have come to know my answer of my questions. Please tell me and solve my problem. But the hermit did not speak then. he took the spade and began to work. At the meantime, what happened? A man was coming, running, and there was a knife in his hand, and he had took himself. He has hidden her face. And what happened next? You will know in the second lecture. That's for today. Thank you very much.